In this video, I'll show you how you can change card on Doordash. Now, what we want to do is just first load up the Doordash application here. Once we have the app open, we will click on Me, which is found in the bottom right corner. Now, from here, you should see your profile, and we just want to click on Settings. From the settings, you should be able to see an option called Payment, so just click on Payment. And here, if you have any debit or credit cards, they will be added in the first option that we're given here. So if we want to change the debit or credit card, we'll just click on the first option, and we will need to input the card number, the expiration date, the CVC, which is the code found on the back of our card, as well as our country and zip code. One more thing you can do here, you can click on the camera icon next to the card number, and you can directly take a picture or scan your card, and it's going to automatically fill out the information for you. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.